What's up everyone, this is Ken here from Property Stories. So today is just going to be a very short video. One short question here. Does agent need any document from seller to check the bank value? Actually the answer is no. If you want to sell a house, right, you just need to give the agent the information like your full address, including postal address, including the unit number, the size of the property, land area and build up. If you can't remember the build up and it's a landed property, never mind, you just land area. And then pictures, you just take pictures of the house and send to the agent. Okay, if it's a property type, let's just say you're not sure, stay in a condo or service apartment, just say condo or service apartment, that's it. Okay, 4 things only. Number 1, the postal address with unit number, full postal address. Second is the land area or build up, or both. If you remember the build up, just give. But if you are staying in a high rise or strata property, that means only build up lor. Okay, no land area lor. Then third one is the property type lah. It's like service apartment lah, condo lah, if you remember lah. If it's a shop, then just say a shop lah. If it's a double story house, then you just say double story house lor. Terrace house lor. Okay, then the fourth one is pictures. When you take a pictures, right, you just take the pictures of the house and send. Okay, it doesn't matter, your house can be damn messy, doesn't matter, just send. Okay, don't need to clean everything. No, don't worry, you just send the pictures. Then you will get the agent will take and then go and check the value for you. However, in some cases, right, I will prefer that you pass me the document. I always ask one, if the document got, I will prefer you pass. You don't need to pass the whole SMP, you just pass the first schedule. You go behind your SMP, there's a column called the first schedule. The first schedule will show all the details of the property, the unit number, the postal address, the size of the property type, all there. If you buy subsale, okay. If it's under construction, then the parcel number is there, there's no postal address. But this postal address, you can always get it from your own maintenance fee lah, your own quit rent lah, all there got address so you just get the sum of this information and you pass to the agent. Okay, but you just take a photo of the first schedule if you got. It'll be easier to get the bank value, more accurate bank valuation. I hope this answer helps, and good luck in your sale. If you have any more questions, right, I would really appreciate if you just ask in the comments so that everybody can learn. I will turn it into a video, as many as I can, so that everyone together can search and learn. Okay, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.